The EX90, a new flagship SUV, marks Volvo's ongoing shift towards an all-electric vehicle lineup. Set to be released as a 2024 model, it will sit above the gasoline-powered XC90. Its design takes inspiration from the concept Recharge show car of 2021, offering a sleeker appearance compared to the XC90 while still incorporating recognizable Volvo design elements such as the distinctive Thor's hammer LED headlamps and vertical taillights. The EX90 will come equipped with a standard 496 horsepower electric powertrain, which, based on the performance of the smaller and less powerful C40 Recharge and XC40 Recharge SUVs, should offer ample power and quick acceleration. The EV is rumored to be equipped with a large battery pack, providing a driving range of approximately 300 miles on a single charge. Charging the battery can be done quickly and efficiently through a DC fast charging connection. In addition, Volvo has stated that the EX90 will feature their latest driver assistance technology, including an innovative driver monitoring system designed to assist the driver in case of any distress or distractions. This new system promises to enhance the driving experience and increase overall safety on the road. The EX90 will feature a dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain as standard equipment. The entry-level twin-motor model will produce 402 horsepower, while the twin-motor performance variant will offer a more powerful 496 horsepower. This propulsion architecture is brand new and is likely to be shared with the recently launched Polestar 3, which is available with a 517 horsepower version of the system. According to Volvo, the twin-motor model should be able to reach 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds, while the twin-motor performance should achieve the same feat in just 4.7 seconds. The vehicle is equipped with standard DC fast charging capability, and is said to only require 30 minutes to charge the battery from 10 to 80%. The electric vehicle architecture used in the EX90 also offers bidirectional charging capabilities, allowing the vehicle to be connected to your home for use as a backup power source during a power outage or to charge another Volvo electric vehicle if necessary. The interior of the EX90 boasts a minimalist design, with most of the controls housed on a large touchscreen infotainment system. The look is characterized by clean lines and a classic Scandinavian aesthetic. The interior is bright and spacious, thanks to a generous glass roof, and can accommodate up to 7 passengers with a standard third row of seats. In keeping with its eco-friendly philosophy, leather upholstery has been omitted from the options list. The alternative materials used instead, such as the high-end wool fabric blended with plastic derived from recycled bottles, offer a premium feel. The EX90 is equipped with a large, portrait-style 14.5-inch infotainment display, which runs the latest Google-based infotainment interface developed by Volvo. The in-dash navigation system is powered by Google Maps and provides access to a variety of apps through the Google Play Store. An optional Bowers & Wilkins stereo system is available, which features Dolby Atmos technology and a total of 25 speakers, including ones integrated into the EX90's headrests. Thank you for watching.